do episode 1 here of the build. This is a OBS, old body style. It's a pretty clapped out old Chevy, single cab long box that has been used as a bit of a storage unit. It is going to be fixed up. My former coworker has purchased the truck. He's going to put it back to stock taillights. Wheels and tires are probably going to stay, but he's obviously not going to have so much weight in the back with these massive steel horses, so that's all going to get cleaned up. Paint will get redone. The interior, he's got a seat on a seat here, but the interior will get fully cleaned up. The owner of this is going to be quite particular with how he does it. As you can tell, it's being well taken care of, and yeah, just hanging out, waiting for a new life and some love. There's a new front bumper up there hanging out. Everything's just hanging out. Set of factory tail lights, headers, motor parts, pistons are going to get fully cleaned up. There will be a pretty built 350 with a decent cam that has all been ordered new. As you can tell, there's going to be a nice intake. Block will get fully reassembled here. I would have thought they would have gotten a little bit more done with it, but that's obviously not the case. They did put a giant order in at Summit Racing and got all of the ring sealed gaskets, everything, you name it, it is here. And then of course a bit more aggressive of a cam, which should give it some rumble. We're figuring 300-ish horsepower, but none of them will actually dyno it to find out. Bunch of lazy, you know what. So it's just a bit of a preview as to what's to come. Stay tuned.